Seriously, I couldn't believe it. It was just too good to be true. Y'all, we bought the motorhome. Seriously, I couldn't believe it. It was just too good to be true. The ladies were so nice. It was a lady selling it for a friend, then the friend came because she had the title. Anyway, it was fabulous. And I have a Lazy Days and I'm standing in it and I want to give you the tour. Here we are walking in the front door, and if you know anything about Lazy Days, their floor plans are mid-bath, rear kitchen, and then they have the rear king. Ours is the mid-bath with the lounge in the back. So we have the rear lounge. We have the Tucker dog checking out the couch. We have some of our awning things down here on the floor. I have the curtains or the shades drawn because it's a little sunny outside, but I definitely wanted to show you. We have a little TV here. We are for sure going to be upgrading that TV, making it a little bit bigger. But this couch makes into a full-size bed. You can have a full-size bed here and a twin size here, or you can have twin and twin, or you can put them together and you have a California king. You have the panoramic windows. You'll definitely be seeing all kinds of videos from this motorhome because, well, we're going to be full-time in it, so you're going to get to see all of it. But yeah, this is what we're working with. We're actually, I have it at the job site. Look, so there's some job site stuff going on over there. It's in really great shape. We did have the carpets cleaned and then the upholstery steam cleaned just because, and then I've wiped everything down in here. I know that, you know, people say don't touch Lazy Days, but we're going to be doing some updates. So I think I'll get into that in a separate video and go through everything that we are going to be updating. But yeah, so I gave it all a really thorough clean. Everything's been cleaned. Let me give you a little shot of the bathroom. The door here, I'm standing in the lounge, and this is like the dressing area. We have the mirrored closets over here, which are huge. Some storage down here. We even have the fancy cup holders. I mean, seriously, look at that. Okay, so this is a 2000 Lazy Days. It's 26.5 feet. Lots of storage. Look at these cabinets. I'm getting distracted because I'm just so excited. Anyway, so keep up. Huge storage here. Huge storage. This is like the whole length of the back of the motorhome. So huge storage. Okay, so we have the bathroom. This door kind of shuts and there's like a little stopper here, so if you wanted to use this area down here to change, or you know, just more room when you're getting in and out of the shower or the bathroom. And then we have the bathroom here. We have a porcelain toilet. That is a huge selling feature. I spent 3 hours, y'all, scrubbing this bathroom because, I mean, I'm not saying it was like absolutely disgusting, but you know, it was dusty and whatever. The lady had, she stayed in it like snowbird type thing, but she hadn't in, you know, quite some time. So it just needed a little cleaning. We have lots of storage up top. These little shelves, I have my little magic, if you see the Tide and the Calgon, that is the little miracle tank cleaner. We'll do a video about that because we did it in our last one. We have already upgraded the shower head to the Oxygenics one. You can get them at Walmart now. And then I have just a fabric shower curtain. I got a shower curtain extender on the way from Amazon because we had that in our trailer, and it just gives you so much more room because the shower is really big. There's like a stain down here. I tried to scrub with the putty knife. I don't know what it is. I'm gonna try to, like, you know, I don't know, I'll lighten it up some, but it is a good shower and a little spot to put your foot to shave your legs. So we will be updating tile, but we're really excited about the porcelain toilet. That was kind of like a bonus feature. We have to fix the handle. Again, we have these huge closets. Hello. So open one. We have stuff in here already, but yeah, we have like a huge closet in here. There's lots of hanging things. And then here we have the front of the coach. We have the generator running, if you can hear that, because I did have the air conditioning on. It was warm in here, but the generator fires right up with the button on the hood. We'll go over that in just a second. We are going to be looking at getting a new sink. This is a plasticky one, and you know, it's got crack. It's seen better days, and the water pressure is not that great. It's just, it has been hard water. It's lived its life in some hard water. So, but we have a paper towel holder. We've got that. Look, okay, so you would think this would go this way. Am I right? No, it flips up. So, but anyway, we have some storage in here. I cleaned all these out. There was a unfortunate balsamic vinegar incident that had happened in that cabinet. And then we have some more storage here where you turn the generator on. We have all the holding tank levels, and those work because they update as we go. The hood light works. I scrub that up really good. The fan works. That's loud as can be. We have ourselves a fridge and freezer. These I cleaned really well. So we haven't used them yet, but it does turn on. So there's that. We have the stove. I gave this a once over. Put these down because it is loud and it rattles. We've got 2 drawers, and then under the sink, you know, cabinet, we have this little guy over here. I guess he's a pantry, right? He's kind of like tucked away. Here's the door. This is a pantry type situation or a catch-all. I don't know, but there's not a crap ton of like kitchen storage. And from what I cleaned in this cabinet and this cabinet, these two on either side of the microwave were used as food storage. We do have a good sized drawer down here below this refrigerator, and then we have a cabinet that's probably like pots and pans storage. We have a booth. We don't generally care for booths, and we always thought, well, if we got one, we'd rip it out, but it's like a whole kitchen area. So we have the lounge behind us, and then like the kitchen area here in the front, with like our wood tile floor. It's in really great shape. I'm not going to do anything with it. I'll just get a rug. I mean, it's blue everywhere. The balances might go. We haven't decided. Why does every motorhome and trailer I have this dang Naugahyde crap? Do they still call it Naugahyde? Is that what it is? Anywho, okay, so we have 2 seats over here in the booth, and then we have like a seat and a half. But check this out. Watch. It slides. So then you just move this cushion and that cushion over here. You sit on one, lean against one, and then you have seating for 4. But see how intrusive it would be if it was like that? So how clever is that? And it simply slides. I mean, seriously, you don't have to give it like much effort at all. All the window shades work great. I have it pulled down. I did remove the shade from the kitchen. Y'all, if you saw my trailer videos, and if you've been around for a minute, you know that I love a kitchen window, and I had this little window that Dale had made me in the kitchen, and I absolutely loved it. It was like my most favorite thing because I had a smaller window, like, I don't know, 1/3 of this size maybe, but look at that. It is the entire length of the kitchen. It is so much light. I absolutely love that feature. And then we have the bed above. This does flip up this way, so you have like headroom. See, like this type situation. It's a queen size bed up here. I was up here because there was a curtain across here, like there was a window. I guess because there's curtains on the sides that I put one there. I took it down. I didn't end up taking the railing down because I was doing it by hand, and we have a drill, so I'm gonna do that. So I left it, but I did take the curtain down because I think that's stupid and it makes it look so much better up here. But we did have these steam cleaned as well. We just have a couple of our beach chairs that we picked up at the Goodwill there. An air filter. Dale's gonna give this thing a little tune up, but she does fire up. She's on a Ford E450 chassis. So, and she's updated with, you know, she's got the airbags. We got the front seats cleaned. I ordered some sheepskin seat covers, but they did not fit. We have a radio that works. I'm super excited about that. The dash air works fabulously. And then here we are between the two front seats. We have our kitchen area and our lounge area, and I'm absolutely in love with it. Now we'll give you a little outside tour, a brief one. If you want an in-depth one because you're a guy and you like that stuff, comment down below and I'll have Dale give you the in-depth tour. But I'm all about the aesthetics, so I'm gonna show you the cool stuff, like we got her washed and waxed on the outside, that type of thing, and the color scheme. But yeah, that is it. I'm so excited. Follow along on the journey because y'all, we are going to be on the move in our brand new house. So boy, I'm ready. It's hot in here. I'm gonna turn on the air conditioner. I filmed the inside, let's film the outside. Let's start with the front. Unfortunately, I didn't get this filmed before it got dirty. We had it detailed and waxed, but she needs it again. She's real dirty up here from it rained and then dust, and I had it at work as my mobile office. But she's got a awning, of course. All the windows are tinted, they come that way. She's gray or silver, which is the color that I wanted. She's a 26.5-foot mid-bath. So see, the windows so dirty. She needs a bath. We need to find an RV wash again, but anyway, we dumped it for the first time today, the black and gray tanks. That was interesting. I mean, we've dumped tanks before. It wasn't our first rodeo, but it was for her. And the gray and the black are separate, so that was the first time I had dealt with that. But yeah, she's in excellent shape. She's got Michelin tires with hardly any wear on them. So we're super excited. I've always wanted Lazy Days. Yeah. So that is going to do it for the tour of the Lazy Days. Thanks for sticking around, and I will see you very, very soon on the next one.